and there are neighbors on the opposite terrace who are staring at me now. This magic spell you cast, this is like your Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. My name is Swasti. If you're new to my channel, then please don't forget to check out my other videos and subscribe to my channel down below. And I am back very soon with another trailer reaction slash discussion. Now honestly, I don't know if this is a trailer or a teaser, and so I was actually sort of waiting around to find out if it's actually a teaser or a trailer. But it's like about 1 minute long, so I guess it's a teaser. But at the same time, I thought, चलो इसका कर लेते हैं. And then whenever the real trailer comes out, I'll do that as well. So yeah. Now personally, I'm not like a huge Alia Bhatt fan, to be very honest. Like I like her movies, but that's about it. But I love and adore Sanjay Leela Bhansali's, like his movies, his style of movies, his style of direction, his costumes, his sets, it's everything is so beautiful. Like the whole feel of a magnum opus, it's so beautiful. Like it's, they feel like a visual treat, it's almost like a moving painting, and it's so beautiful that sometimes even when the story is not that great, for example in Padmavat the story fell a lot of times, but the whole feel is so, yeah. And there are neighbors on the opposite terrace who are staring at me now. So basically the feel of the movie is always so, yeah. Wow, I've already wasted about 2 minutes fangirling over Sanjay Leela Bhansali. But anyway, without further ado, let's just get into the video and watch it. Expectations wise, I genuinely don't have any expectations from this movie, except it should be a visual treat to watch. Because, yeah, I mean, I don't know anything about the story. I don't know the background. I genuinely don't know anything about what the story is, what it could be. I have zero idea about it at all. So, it's like a completely fresh mind. So
कहते हैं कमाटीपुरा में कभी अमावस की रात नहीं होती, क्योंकि
already 9 seconds in and just look at the shots, so aesthetic, so pleasing to the eye. Like I really don't even care about the story anymore.
कि वहां गंगू रहती है.
गंगू चांद थी और चांद ही रहेगी. इज्जत से जीने का, किसी से डरने का नहीं. ना पुलिस से, ना एमएलए से, ना मंत्री से, ना भड़वों से, किसी के बाप से नहीं डरने का. जमीन पे बैठी बहुत अच्छी लग रही है तू. आदत डाल ले, क्योंकि तेरी कुर्सी तो गई. मैं गंगूबाई, प्रेसिडेंट कमाटीपुरा. कुमारी आपने छोड़ा नहीं और श्रीमती कभी किसी ने बनाया ही नहीं.
Obviously this was a teaser. I don't know when the trailer is coming. Whenever it is coming, I'll probably do it. Okay, let me read what it is written. Gangubai Kathiawadi, a story based on the book Mafia Queens of Mumbai, written by S. Hussain Zaidi, is a film that celebrates the rise of a simple girl from Kathiawad who had no choice but to embrace the ways of destiny and swing it in her favor. The narrative works through the life of young Ganga, who in no time marks her own territory and becomes Gangubai, the matriarch of Kamathipura. Cool. So, as always, as I already have raved about Sanjay Leela Bhansali, his camera work is unmatched. The visual appeal was so strong. Like I was focusing so much on the background. Talking about the Alia, personally I'm not very convinced as to how well she will suit the role. Like, the dialogue delivery felt way off. I never say negative things about people, but yeah, the dialogue delivery did feel quite off, but the body language was pretty good, to be honest, if I'm being honest. And at the same time, this is just a teaser, so it's very hard to determine in just 1 minute and 30 seconds if she's actually done justice to the role or not, because sometimes what we get from just the teaser is, again, just the teaser. You really need to, like, maybe, you know, sometimes some things seem off, but actually when you watch the movie, it sells it, you know, it is convincing in the movie. So maybe that will happen. I don't know. For example, like, I have a very good example related to Alia itself. Like, Alia was very good in Razi, right? But if you take just the scene that became a meme, कि मुझे घर जाना है, it felt very weird. It just didn't sit well. It felt like a little cringy maybe. But with the movie, with the whole movie, with the feel of the movie, it felt correct in that moment, you know. So obviously when you take things out of context, even for teasers or trailers, difference to aa hi jata hai in how we look at it. But like, of course, iske alawa Alia had done another, like, a period drama which was Kalank, which was, but I am hoping, I am very, very, very truly hoping that this is different, because as I said, I love Sanjay Leela Bhansali. Now I don't know, I really need to, like, the reason that it feels a little off is, one of the reasons why it sort of feels a little off is, I guess, Alia seems too young for the role for some reason, you know. Like, you know, Alia has like that typical baby face also. But again, I saw somewhere on Twitter that Gangubai was supposed to be like a 16 or 18-year-old. So if that is the case, if it is about a young girl, then it's perfect, I guess, you know. So again, I don't think we should judge very harshly just on the basis of the teaser. But yeah, the thing that I was watching this for is the visual appeal and for Sanjay Leela Bhansali, and that is there. The background music was amazing. I don't know who is doing the music and all, वो सब तो trailer के बाद ही पता चल सकता है. But yeah, the background music was great. Shots were very, very nice. Yeah, तो मेरे जो expectations थे from this, they have definitely been met, and I am looking forward to more content on this. But yeah, that is all I have to say. I don't want to spew hate towards anyone. Yeah, so that was, I guess, it for my teaser reaction / discussion. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please let me know what were your thoughts on the teaser. What did you think about it? Are you looking forward to this movie or not? And I will see you very soon in another video. Till then, bye, take care, stay happy, stay healthy, and love yourself.